First, open CodeBuddy. Click Sign In on the right. Then it will direct to a login page. Click Login on the page. Then choose to log in using Tencent OneID. Click Confirm. Now it redirects us to a login page. Enter your email address. Then check I have read and agree. Now click Send to get a verification code via email. Then open your email and you'll find there's a new message. This one contains a verification code. Copy the verification code, then go back to the login page. Paste the verification code we just received. Click Login. All right, then the reminder says no enterprise account available. So now we need to purchase an enterprise account. Here you see annual and monthly payment options. Annual payment is $480 per person per year. Monthly payment is $40 per person per month. Now click Activate Now. It will redirect us to the Tencent Cloud login page. Log in using your Tencent Cloud account. Then it will direct us to the Tencent Cloud CodeBuddy Team Plan Purchase page. Default number of licenses is 3. Here, you can choose whether to enable auto-renewal. We choose Close. Now enter your company name. Then enter your primary account email. This email will become our primary account. Choose one of your accounts as the email. Then, same as before, we need to request a verification code. Now, go back to our email again, take the newly received verification code and enter it. Now verify it. Then check both of these terms. Now select monthly payment, or based on your requirement, choose either monthly or annual payment. Then click Purchase Now. Now confirm that the pricing information is correct. Then click Submit Order. Confirm everything is correct. Let's confirm one more time. After completing the purchase, we can go to the console page to check. Then it will direct us to the Tencent Cloud CodeBuddy login page again. We need to log in again. Enter our email again. Check I have read and agree. It will send our verification code again. Then switch over to our email and open the verification code we just received. Now log in once more. This time, it won't show that we don't have an account anymore. And then, don't choose the personal account. We need to choose the team account. we choose the enterprise account, then click Get Started. Now we can access our post-purchase page. We're now in the post-purchase page. All right, our purchase is now complete. I have already showed you how to use email and a Tencent Cloud account to log in to CodeBuddy, to log into our CodeBuddy admin console via Tencent One ID, and purchase a team plan package for your team to use. First, once we're at this admin console, let's check if the team plan is working properly. Check if seats shows 1/3. If it shows 1/3, that means it's working properly. Otherwise, we can go to Open an Integration to sync the organization structure status. Click Manual Sync. After syncing is complete, we can switch over to Organization Overview. Now you can see the remaining seats is showing normally. Once it shows normally, it means our team plan is ready to use. We can use the accounts provided by the team plan to log in to CodeBuddy and WorkBuddy and use both applications. All right, so next, I'll show you how to use the accounts from the team plan to log into CodeBuddy and WorkBuddy. First, let me show you how to log into CodeBuddy and WorkBuddy via our creator account. Let's open CodeBuddy directly, then click Sign In. Since we are already reached this admin console, so the creator account is already logged in by default. We can directly click Get Started. Simply click Open. As you can see, we are now using this unified ID to log in. Then we enter, "Hello, what can you do?" We can choose any model. For example, let's choose Default. If it can respond normally and answer our question, it means our team plan is working properly. Next, let me show you how to log in to WorkBuddy. Open WorkBuddy, then also click Sign In. By default, we're also already logged in. We can just click Open WorkBuddy, also log in with this unified account. We can also send "Hello, what can you do?" If it can respond normally, it means our team plan on WorkBuddy is also working properly. You can see it is responding normally. All right, next, let me tell you about our team plan. It includes more than one creator account. Actually, it can support up to 3 users at all. So, besides the creator account, how can we add a member user to log in and use WorkBuddy? We click Add Member here. This takes us to the Organization Structure Admin Console. Here, we can create a new department. Under our main department, we can create a sub-department. Its parent department is Tencent Training. We can enter A. And here, we can create a manager for this department. But we can also skip this. That's okay. No worries. Let's just go ahead and create Department A. Now, the members we add can be placed under Department A or directly under the Tencent Training Department. Let's place the member under Tencent Training Department. First, for the username, we enter public. Main department, Tencent Training. Then, for the email, we'll use this one, codebuddypub@gmail.com. And for the name, we'll just use the same as the username. Next, we can simply choose the Tencent Training Department. Then click Next. Then click Confirm. Now our public account has been created. By default, this account's status is unactivated. Now we can switch to the main admin console of CodeBuddy to check its license status. By default, this public account is already licensed, so we can go ahead and log in. Before logging in, let's log out first. Log out of both CodeBuddy and WorkBuddy. Then we'll switch accounts to log in. Now click Sign In. By default, it will still use the creator account. So we need to switch accounts. Choose Switch Account. Then we log in again via Tencent One ID. This time, we use the CodeBuddyPub@gmail.com email address. Send a verification code to this email. Then open this email and you'll find that we received two emails. One is an activation email, the other is a verification code email. We need to activate the account first. Click Join Now. A page with Join Now will pop up. Click Join Now again. We don't need to go to use CodeBuddy. Just go back to the email and find the verification code email. Then copy the verification code and enter it to log in. At this point, it will ask us to enter a CodeBuddy password. Set up a password. We can create one ourselves. Then click Submit. Once done, it will automatically redirect Login Successful. Now open CodeBuddy. Let's check. Our logged in account is now public. And here, we can also enter, "Hello, what can you do?" We choose the default model again. And it responds normally as well. That means this account is working properly. Now let me also show you how to log in to WorkBuddy. We click Sign In here. For WorkBuddy, by default, it's probably still using our Tencent One ID login. So we need to cancel and switch accounts. Click to switch. Before switching, we can first go to WorkBuddy AI here to check its login status. It's currently logged out, so we can proceed normally. We'll send the code to this email address. Now let's check the email. After receiving the email, copy the verification code. Then enter it and click Login. Great, logged in successfully. Now let's open WorkBuddy AI. There's a small issue here. It still shows the One ID account. Let's check the current login status. Now it is public account, so it might have been a small glitch, just a minor hiccup. We'll log out and log back in. Alright, now it's working. The reason is that on the same computer, we were logged into both One ID and our public account, which can cause a login status conflict. If we were using two individual computers to log in, this wouldn't happen. Now, let's also use the public account to ask, "Hello, what can you do?" and it displays properly. It responds normally as well. This proves that whether through the creator account or a newly added member account, we can manage to log in to CodeBuddy and WorkBuddy and use them without any issues. So now, since we are now on the public account, we can no longer access the admin console. All right, that's all of this training session. Thank you.